let's get it. On the hike now. Oh man, getting up is never easy after very little sleep, and it's early in the morning and everything, but it's a really nice morning out right now. The mountain is looking beautiful, and I'm trying to make it up to kind of a little sub-mountain, I guess you could call it, that just kind of really puts you right up close to the glaciers and everything. So, sure hope this is all worth it. Just shed a couple layers. Really trying to motor on up this thing and get high up as fast as I can. Colors are already starting to really get good back there. Look at this view up here. Got Mount Rainier. There's all this high country like a mile and a half from the trailhead. Crazy stuff. This is awesome. Really trying to move here. Sunrise is in about 20 minutes. Maybe a little bit less on the top of the mountain. So definitely want to get to a good vantage point. So cool up here. I think I found a shot that I kind of like right here. The sun hasn't hit anything yet, but everything's still pretty colorful back there. So I think I'm just gonna stand on the trail and have the trail leading up towards the mountain. It kind of winds up this next one and leads you to the big one. So just a very simple composition, but I think it'll turn out okay. We'll see. Pink light's starting to hit it. Ended up stepping off the trail just down there and found a nice little patch of red flowers. Got a nice pretty shot with the light hitting, but just look at it up here. Unbelievable. Just using the zoom lens now to grab some detail shots of all the glaciers up in there. It's looking super cool right now. Normally I try not to take photos that are just kind of like, hey, look at this cool mountain I went to, you know, just sort of snapshots of the place, but for right here, I think I can make an exception. Just look at everything. It's so nice. For most of these shots, I'm just going simple settings, ISO 400, 500 second shutter, or 1/500th, and f5.6. So, you know, nothing too extreme in any direction. That's just sort of the exposure that matches the scene right now, and what a scene it is. It's just so cool up here. I think I'm gonna start to head down now. Definitely need to take another long nap because not gotten very much sleep these past couple days, but I'd say it's definitely been worth it to come out to places like these at sunrise and shoot cool nighttime lapses and everything. But hopefully I'll be able to get a nice evening sunset shoot in tonight before I head out of here. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna hike down and I'll see you guys. No. That's all a lie. I think I've spotted some mountain goats on that hill back there. Definitely gonna go try to get some shots of them. I've never seen a mountain goat up close before, so I hope they're mountain goats. I think they're mountain goats based on the picture I took of them, but I don't know if they're mountain goats. I hope they're mountain goats. They have mountain goats around here, right? I'm not just making that up. I think so. They better be mountain goats. Right now they just look like white dots, but they're not sheep. There's no way they're sheep. They're not regular goats, I don't think. I think they're mountain goats. Man, that hill is far away. I just passed that guy back there who told me that he was just up on the hill and they're rocks, not mountain goats. But I feel like they've moved. I don't know. They are mountain goats. Right back there. Be cool to get a shot of them with the mountain in the background. But I'm not sure that that's going to be possible. Let's see what I can get here. Managed to get on the other side of them. They don't seem to mind me too much, which is good. Just kind of grazing right now. But I'm just going to use the zoom lens. Use a fast shutter speed so their movements aren't blurred, and try to get some nice shots with them lit up against the mountain. Alright, definitely happy with a couple of those. I'm glad I spotted them and glad I ignored the guy who told me they were rocks. So now I'm actually headed back down to the car. Gonna take a nice nap, eat some food, edit some photos, and I'll see you guys in the afternoon. Just woke up from a pretty nice nap. I just drove down from the park into the surrounding national forest, and I'm just gonna sleep here tonight, I think. And tomorrow and for the next week I'm just gonna be with my parents in Seattle, but by the time this video gets uploaded, I'm trying to kind of space the Rainier videos out, so by the time this is uploaded, and if you're watching this, the next video should be coming out in just a couple days. So I guess I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.